You slowly open your eyes. At first, everything is blurry. Your head feels heavy, like you've been unconscious for hours. The air is cold and damp. There's a metallic smell, rust mixed with something darker. You try to move your hands, but they don't move. Panic rises in your chest. A sudden sharp sound echoes through the silence. Chains. Your wrists are bound to a cold metal chair. You force yourself to stay calm. Look around. The walls are rough gray concrete, covered in deep scratches. Some scratches look like someone tried to escape. Others are indecipherable. The floor is stained with dark patches. The single light bulb flickers above you. On, off, on, off. Shadows stretch across the walls. You pull at the chains. Nothing. Only loud metallic rattling echoes in the room. You swallow hard, trying to remember how you got here, but your mind is blank. Suddenly, you hear it. Faint at first, almost impossible to notice. Footsteps. Step, 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 heavier with every second. Your heart races. You stare at the large metal door in front of you. The footsteps stop. Silence. Your breath is the loudest sound in the room. Then, the soft clinking of keys. Someone is unlocking the door. The handle slowly turns. The metal creaks as the door opens just a few inches. Light spills into the dark room. A tall shadow stretches across the floor toward you. The door opens wider. A man steps inside, his face hidden in shadows. He wears a black suit and black gloves. The heavy metal door slams shut behind him. For a moment, he just stands there watching you. The silence is unbearable. Then he walks forward. Each step echoing through the room. He pulls a small metal table near your chair and places a recorder on it. Presses play. A calm, emotionless voice fills the room. Tell us what we want to know. It repeats over and over like a loop. He slowly walks around you. You feel his presence behind the chair. Your heartbeat races. Minutes pass, or maybe hours. The light flickers. Water drips somewhere distant. The man hasn't said a single word. His silence is worse than any threat. You shift in the chair. Chains rattle slightly. Every movement echoes in the room. The man stops in front of you. His eyes are cold, emotionless, studying you like a puzzle. You try to speak. Your throat is dry. Nothing comes out. The room is silent except for dripping water and your own heavy breathing. He leans closer to your face, so close you can hear his breath. Finally, he speaks, quiet, calm. This is your last chance. Your heart pounds in your chest. You don't understand what he means, but fear grips you. He straightens up, walking slowly toward the door. You are trapped, unable to move. The light above flickers violently. On, off, on. And then, everything goes dark. You hear the metal door open. Footsteps move down the hallway, fading away. The door slams shut with a deep echo. You are alone, chained in darkness. Your breathing sounds loud. The silence is deafening. You wait. You wonder how long you will remain here. This place was never built to hold prisoners. It was built to break them. And now, you understand.